Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Aaron here, Simply New England Off-Road. So as the photo cover told you, I have some big news. In fact, I have two pieces of big news. I'll start off with the first one. These guys, right here. Speed stickers. Speed stickers. www.speedstickers.eu. These guys have sent me 1, 2, and a third set. First set to customize the ZFORCE 950. Second set to customize the 800 XC. The third set, no, I didn't get a third machine. The third set is going to be for one of you. One lucky winner is going to get the third set to customize their 800 XC or 1000 four-wheeler. So I'm pretty excited, been partnered up with them. If you guys follow me on the CFMOTO Everything group on Facebook, you'll have noticed that I have been placing little strategic ads here and there. Yes, this is why. I have 2 videos coming, one install for this one install for that one, and something very cool that Speed Stickers did for me, and they can also do it for you if you were ever to choose to order some of these in the future. They have given me the full Simply New England logo to go right on the hood. And on this one, they have given me, and maybe some of you have seen it, the Winter 800 XC plow logo to go on the front of this one, built into the whole sticker scheme. So guys, that giveaway right there is going to be worth over $200, and that will be given away to one lucky winner. As I do the install videos, I will start to tell you what the instructions and the rules are to enter that one. But this video here is more of an informational. The second piece of good news, and Frank Smith of New Hampshire, part of the CFMOTO Everything group, could tell you he won the $200 2 weeks ago from Main Street Cycle. Well, guess what? Again, we are giving away $200 more of MSC's money. This is going to be the MSC Sizzlin' Summer Giveaway. Yes, MSC Sizzlin' Summer Giveaway. Pretty nifty name. I like it, if you ask me. So guys, definitely be staying tuned. I'm going to be doing at least another 2 or 3 giveaways after this one throughout this whole summer. I'm going to be giving everyone an opportunity to win something from Simply New England Off-Road. I'm really excited. As you guys know from the last video, we broke the 1,000 subscriber mark. It was a long journey. I'm not going to go into it. About a year and a half in the making, between getting COVID and other things going on and having to take breaks from the videos. So what I need from you guys now is, I need views. Subscribers are great, but you got me there. So I'm looking for the views. I'm looking for the view time. So definitely stay focused on the videos. Hit the follow button, subscribe, of course, notification button, I should say. I always say the follow button, the notification bell, so that way when these types of videos come out, you'll be able to be notified of what's going on. Again, I'm going to be giving away a lot of stuff over the next coming year, so I would definitely love for all of you to stay tuned. If anybody's wondering, this is the 2021 CFMOTO Z950, the 2021 800 XC, and again, just let me take the opportunity to show you, when you get speed stickers, they come in this real nice quality tube. It shows what the design is going to look like, and we got a third one. We've got a third one, and it's going to one of you. I also want to let you guys know, if you like any of this Simply New England stuff that I've been wearing in the videos, I have about 3 or 4 different designs available in my t-shirt store. So if you're interested, definitely I'm going to leave a link in the video description. Go check out what I've got. I've got some pretty cool designs. I'm working on more. This was my second design. The first one was the design that was just a basic Simply New England with the leaf. This was the second design here I did with the Z950, or kind of looked like it. And then a lot of you have seen the third design. So definitely go to the store and check those out. Everyone, thank you very much for the support and for following Simply New England Off-Road. We'll see you guys on the trails. Aaron here. Peace out.